Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Ford's 2015 to 2020 F-150. Step 1. Begin removing your factory bumper by removing the 3 hex nuts on each side's frame rail with a 21mm socket. Step 2. Disconnect your hitch plug. Follow the power harness and with a clip remover, free the harness from the hitch plates. Do the same for both of your license plate lights as well as your sensors if applicable. Remove the bumper. Step 3. Begin uninstalling your hitch, starting with its retaining plates, with a 13mm socket and wrench. Followed by pushing out the license plate lights and hitch plug. Remove the hitch. Step 4. Reinstall the hitch with 4 of the 6 factory bolts previously removed, with a 21mm socket. Next, the 2 angled flanges shown interfere with the bumper's clearance. To fix this, simply bend them so that they are flush with the center plate. Step 5. Install your hitch plug and license plate lights and sensors into the new bumper. Hold the bumper up to the frame rails, and with the included hardware, secure it to the hitch with a 10mm socket and wrench. Reconnect all your power harnesses and license plate, and you're done.